Aloha!
Welcome to Diku channel.
Today we are going to barbecue rock? No, actually I'm sorry. Today we are going to do Hawaii style emu style of goat.
Let's rock it!
Hi guys. Normally Hawaii emu style they use banana leaves. In Hawaii normally use banana leaves, but in California we cannot get it. That's why we just use lotus leaf to instead of it, to wipe the lamb.
The goat leg is very thick, so we slide.
That's mild.
Joe, help me add the goat.
Okay. Leo, I think we need more water.
Okay, I get the water.
It's need a marinate about 3 hours. Now it's time for us to dig a hole. So I think the hole is ready.
Okay, let's put the firewood in.
Okay. Rock.
Let's rock in.
I think it's ready. Let's start the fire. think it's all done. Let's check out the fire.
Okay, let's see the rock.
You know, after 2 hours of fire, it's extremely hot right now. Let's bring the goat here. Right now it's too hot and the charcoal is still burning. So we add some soil to make it be more flat. And lower down the temperature a little bit so that the lamb can attack the goat better, barbecue them better. We just need the wet leaf to cover the goat.
It's the sound of the cooking. Hey Joe, do you see the sting?
Yeah, and it smells good.
Uh-huh.
We are going to open it.
Let's
eat.
eat. Joe, I had to see the side of the net.
Yeah, see, I got some chili and the rock is so hot. I just dig out one rock. It's still very hot and with chili right now. So we better be careful.
Almost done.
Yeah,
I think we need to blow the set away.
okay.
Ooh, so good.
I cannot wait.
Nice cook.
Ah, so feels so good. I cannot wait to eat.
Joe, it's very tender.
It's melting in my mouth.
Ooh, hot.
There's some lotus flavor inside because of lotus leaf. I just think I can see the view.
Cheers.
If you like our food, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Please click like and also turn on the bell. Thank you.
Thank you.